Here's our sweet Brianna. She had 3 babies, 2 boys, 1 girl. On the 23rd of April, today is the 27th, so that was 4 days ago. The first one is a black and rust little boy, blue band. His name is Elon. He's nursing right now. Oh, they're all always nursing. He is rust. He's not your typical black and silver. He's actually rust. Look at his tail. He lost his tail today. So he has the color of a DOB. So this is a black and rust little boy. Oops, you got some milk on your beard. Elon, cute little baby, beautiful and stunning. Look at him. Then number 2, oops. Then we have Eclair. She's nursing away. She's a very light beaten girl. And Ferrari is the daddy. Let's get this one. Ooh. That's little Eclair. She's gonna be champagne color. She's a light wheaten. They're gonna be toy sizes, all of them. Little Eclair, oh, I'm sorry. You wanna have your milk, go back to the nipple. That's Eclair. And then we got Ethan, green band. He is a black and rust party. Blanket party. He also got the reddish. Ethan is his name. I know I took you away from your beautiful, good-tasting mommy's Milky. Good little boy. Oh, look at the little tongues. Okay, put him back to the nipple. And here is sweet mommy. One ear is popped up. She's such a good girl. Brianna is the one black face, just like her mommy. Very good face. She's tired. Oh, are you tired? You tired? We need your eyes cleaned. And there are all the babies nursing. Look at them. And mommy is tired. Hey, open up your eyes. No, she says, let me sleep. And I keep my fingers popped on the camera. But she loves her baby. She's a good mommy.